Holy crap. That's really off balance. Oh shit. It would help if I unplugged the microphone. Just focus it there. There we go. That's better. 12 minutes. I hate it when it freaking pauses. Like, when it stops draining, it should just continue to drain and spin. But when this thing goes off balance, it drains and spins at the same time, which it should be doing that by default. All these HE washers should spin drain at this, you know. Why? Way better than fucking neutral draining. I'm surprised the off-balance sensors didn't go off, which I'm actually happy about. That's how it's moving right now. Ow, that's my knee. Look. It's gonna spin up to 1100 RPM, hopefully. I don't know, what do you guys think is better? My phone? The 14 Pro Max? With HDR video, or my camera? My Canon PowerShot SX70HS. I'm just gonna do this so you can see how it's shaking. One. That's probably low speed. Yeah, that is low speed. There's two. Ramping up. There we go. That's two. Sorry, I had to pause it. I was getting text. 7 minutes. This is how it's shaking. There we go. Six minutes. It won't stay. I actually balanced it pretty good. I leveled the feet. Because this thing was jumping all over the place. It's actually pretty balanced now. Doesn't shake as much. 6 minutes. I don't know what's better, without microphone or with little dollar store lavalier microphone. That's 5 minutes. Still speeding up. Not extra high spin yet. It usually starts spinning up way faster in 2 minutes and continues to from 2 minutes to 1 minute. And I can tell because when the pump cycles and then when it goes on and it continuously runs, that's when I know that it is going to spin up. But if the pump continues to cycle on and off, then that means it's not going to do it. Alright, now unplug. Stereo audio. There's 2,000 lumens. 4 minutes. Or hold on. Never mind. Three minutes. It's probably like 1,000 RPM right now. I got the dryer pulled out because we have a crappy vent hose. We have the stupid flexible duct, and that is restricting flow, and they should ban it. 2 minutes. Let's see if it's gonna do it. Minutes. It might not. Might not because I pause and play. Yep. It usually would do it as soon as it hits 2 minutes. Might not do it this time. Because I hate when it fucking pauses for like a minute and a half, just like for the drain. It's so dumb and annoying and it wastes time. Come on. Oh, look at the ceiling from the reflection. Oh! There it goes. Yep, it's going now. Yep, there it is. You can hear it now. Yep. Speeding up now. There we go. That was 1100 RPM. Not bad. I wish I just had like a manual speed control thing, so I could just go from like the lowest all the way to like, I don't know, even past it. I wish I could do that. Ow. Oh, they're my favorite. And then that's going in the dryer. That's going in the dryer for an hour. On time dried. That's clean. Let's get that little lint off. Yeah. Alright, bye.